In this video, we are going to demonstrate step-by-step how to back up your Android phone or tablet using Google services. Let's see how to do it. Head over to the Play Store and download Google One if you do not have the app already. Once installed, open it. First-time users will be welcomed with the usual onboarding process, and then they should be able to see the available cloud storage linked to your Google account. Now, tap on Backup. Here, your app data, SMS and MMS, call history, device settings like wallpaper, Wi-Fi passwords, photos and videos, and more will be shown under Backup Details. Under Advanced Settings, you also get to toggle the option for backup using mobile or metered Wi-Fi data. Finally, scroll to the top and tap on Backup Now. Your Android device will start the backup process. Once the backup is complete, the app will notify you. That's it! This video will surely help you to back up your Android device using Google services. Subscribe to Guiding Tech and delve into one of our specially curated videos just for you.